Short sales create a ton of confusion as to how they work. On this video, I'm going to explain exactly how they work and walk you through every step of the process. Hi, I'm Derrick with the Jackson Group. Unfortunately, short sales create a lot of confusion, and on this video, I'm going to walk you through start to finish how this works or how the process is going to flow. Stage 1, the short sale process does not start until you receive an offer and send that offer to your bank. Just because you're behind on payments doesn't mean that the bank is going to allow you to do a short sale. First, you've got to send the offer to the bank, and then they'll start processing the short sale at that point. Now, in the first 30 days of the short sale, it's going to seem like nothing is happening. The only thing they're really doing behind the scenes is assigning the file and ordering what's called a BPO. Now, let me explain to you what a BPO is. A BPO is an acronym that stands for Broker Price Opinion. So a BPO is essentially a bank ordering an appraisal for what a 30-day sale value is on your home. The BPO number is the number that they're going to use to counter the offer that they've received for the short sale. Now, in the first 30 days, the only things we're really looking for is to make sure that the BPO is ordered and the file is assigned. Now, stage 2 is days 30 to 60. This is when the bank uses the number in the BPO to counter offer the offer that has been received. Now, during stage 2, one of a couple things is going to happen. The bank is going to counter the offer and the buyer accepts, or the bank is going to counter the offer and the buyer does not accept. And then at that point, we just have to find another buyer. Now, if everybody agrees, we're going to move into stage 3, which is a short sale approval phase. Once in this stage, the bank is going to issue an actual short sale approval letter that spells out top to bottom all of the terms of your short sale release. Believe it or not, we're actually able to get the bank to wipe out all of the principal balance, all the missed payments and penalties, liens, and everything attached to the property, and you're able to walk away and start fresh. And that happens about 98% of the time. This is the reason why people do short sales, to get out from underneath the debt burden. Now, once you receive the short sale approval letter, that letter is only good for 30 days. Therefore, the buyer actually has to be ready to close in that window of time. As long as a buyer closes in this 30-day window of time, the closing will happen exactly the same way as when you bought the property. It'll be a normal, regular closing, and best of all, you can get out from underneath the debt burden and just move on with your life. So in conclusion, knowing the short sale timeline is very, very important to people that are in this stage of life with their home. This is not a typical normal sale. It's actually very difficult and very complex as far as what happens behind the scenes. So who you have in your corner working for you, fighting on your behalf to make this happen is critically important. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Derrick Jackson with the Jackson Group. Click somewhere around this video somewhere. You can reach out for some help to have a conversation, or you can call or text me anytime. I would love to help answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.